Hurricanes are giant, swirling storms. They pack powerful winds and torrential rain. Imagine a monstrous engine fueled by warm ocean water. These storms are nature's powerhouses, capable of immense destruction. We know them by different names: hurricanes, cyclones, or typhoons, depending on where they form, but they all share one thing in common: awesome power. These storms are defined by a central point of low pressure, an eye around which the storm rotates. The eye is often calm and clear, surrounded by the most intense part of the storm, the eyewall. Here, winds howl at their fiercest and rain falls in blinding sheets. Understanding these storms is vital, for they can bring both awe and devastation. Hurricanes don't just appear out of thin air. They need a specific recipe of ingredients to form, all churning together over warm ocean waters. Imagine a giant pot simmering under the tropical sun. The first ingredient? Warm, moist air rising from the ocean's surface. As this air rises, it cools and condenses, forming storm clouds and releasing heat. This heat acts like fuel, powering the developing storm. The spinning of the earth adds another ingredient: rotation. This causes the storm to swirl, creating the characteristic spiral shape of a hurricane. As the storm spins faster and faster, it sucks up more warm, moist air, growing stronger and more organized. A hurricane doesn't become a monster overnight. It goes through distinct stages, each more powerful than the last. The journey begins with a disturbance, a cluster of thunderstorms over warm waters. If conditions are right, this disturbance can develop into a tropical depression, with winds swirling faster and faster. The next stage is a tropical storm, with winds reaching a sustained speed of 39 miles per hour. At this point, the storm is given a name. Finally, when winds reach a sustained speed of 74 miles per hour, the storm is classified as a hurricane. The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale categorizes hurricanes from Category 1 to Category 5 based on their wind speed and potential for damage. Section 4. When fury strikes, the impact of hurricanes. The impact of a hurricane on communities can be devastating. Imagine a wall of water crashing against the coast, flooding homes and businesses. High winds rip through towns and cities, tearing down trees, power lines, and even buildings. Heavy rainfall can cause widespread flooding, turning streets into rivers and submerging entire neighborhoods. The aftermath of a hurricane can be just as challenging. Communities are left to pick up the pieces, facing the daunting task of rebuilding their lives and infrastructure. The economic impact can be crippling, with businesses destroyed and tourism disrupted. The emotional toll is immeasurable as people cope with loss, displacement, and the trauma of the storm. Section 5. Weathering the storm, staying safe during a hurricane. When a hurricane threatens, being prepared can make all the difference. It's crucial to have a plan in place, including knowing your evacuation route and having an emergency kit ready. This kit should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, a flashlight, and a battery-powered radio. Stay informed about the storm's progress by monitoring weather reports from reliable sources. If authorities issue an evacuation order, don't hesitate to leave your home and seek shelter in a safe location. Remember, your safety is paramount. By taking the necessary precautions and staying informed, you can weather the storm and protect yourself and your loved ones. Section 6. Respect the power. Key takeaways about hurricanes. Hurricanes are powerful forces of nature, capable of causing immense destruction. Understanding how they form and the different stages they go through is crucial for preparedness. By respecting their power and taking the necessary precautions, we can minimize the risks and protect ourselves and our communities. Remember, preparation is key. Have a plan, stay informed, and never underestimate the fury of a hurricane. By working together and being prepared, we can weather these storms and emerge stronger on the other side.